all packed and ready to go. Today is the day that we head to Aurora for a trip with the Department of Tourism. Hi, my love. Mama will see you soon, okay? Mama will do yoga. I have my mat. Mama will do yoga. Oh, you wait for Uncle Dan, huh? You little cutie pie. Oh, look at you. Oh my goodness, my baby. Itchy. May konting bumps kasi siya. Sus Mariosa. My baby. I love you. Love you. Stop over. Oh my God, reunited kami ni Anna! Yay, pareho kami nakamaleta. Okay lang maleta. Ang cute nito. Super cute. Saan mo din yan?
Sa Shopee.
Oh my God, that's so cute. Meron kami. Today's International Yoga Day.
Ah, talaga? So, timing din.
Yes. Oh, what's this? Sausage McMuffin and we have coffee. Yeah. Kapampangan pala tong Lola Ima. Kala ko Lola Ima. Ayan.
Mga pinalamat din. Pero pag hindi mga pinalamat ko, hindi na. Kahit may tour ako doon. Ilang na wala. Pork. Yeah.
Stop over kami here. Ang cute ng, oh my God, look! Nasa Aurora na kami. It's pretty, huh? Is your doggy? Where's the doggy? This is our van. This is Lito. Hi, Lito!
Hi!
Here's the doggy. Hi, doggy. Doggy. We're here at Costa, Pacifica. Oh, the pool, the pool. This is my roommate, Anna.
Hello.
Oh, saya. So fun. Medyo maulan lang. Wow, look at the, oh, the tree. Finally, so today, ano oras na? It's 12:04. Hindi ko maalala yung time na binlog ko kanina, but it's 12:04. Finally here. We're staying here at Costa Pacifica at Sabang Beach here in Baler, Aurora. My first time in Baler. Love it. 12:05.
No?
So si Lito, one bag versus us. Oh my goodness. How do you do it? How? No.
Okay po.
Yay.
Thank you po.
Checking in. Magkasunod lang pala tayo, right? 33-4. See you at lunch. Roommate. Thank you, kuya. This one, can you leave it sa ano? Oh my God, may aircon. Oh, ang humid ko. Uy, may OOTD. Meron.
Ako rin magpasok ko.
Sige.
Room tour ko na bigla ulit.
Sige, room tour mo tayo bago ibaba ang bag. Oh my God, cute! Ooh. So, ito yung door namin ni Anna. Mag-ingay muna ako, Anna. This is the restroom area.
Okay.
Yay! Ano to? Shower? Toilet! Oh, toilet and shower. Okay, bongga.
Kaya naman baka dirty yung aking ano.
Hindi, okay lang.
Okay lang sa'yo.
Oo, okay lang yan. Go, go.
Wala ka na.
Go lang. We have an OOTD mirror. Ito ang OOTD mirror. Excited na kami mag-lunch. We have, oh, ang cute! Actually, very cute. Kasi ang linis lang, no?
Fairness.
Costa, ano? Costa Pacifica. Costa Pacifica. And it's so quiet. Lots of space. Sorry, tabi ako, Anna.
Hindi, okay lang.
Kulang. Pipicture din ako. Ano yung labas? Why?
Parang fake of foggy yung paningin ko.
Ito, oh. Baka sa kulay. Baka dito.
Yung kulay?
Ito.
Ay, huwag na bubog ka na.
Wow. Oh. Cute.
Laki.
Okay. Ooh. Pinaka-perfect spot for yoga. Pero madami kaming yoga girl, so... Sobrang dami nating yoga. Masyado. We're going to BBC. Baler Beach Club.
Wow.
Parang close na kami ni Lito agad. I love it. You remind me of my friend. Hi, Sam! Hello! We're gonna have lunch. What? May chips? Ano yan? May chips?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Pure... May shrimp yan, kuya.
What?
May hipon.
Wala.
Pako salad. Ferner. Ferner ano ba? Cookies. Our view for lunch. So, dyan kami kumain. Lumalakad ako sa labas because I want to see. Oh my goodness gracious. Can you hear the waves? Oh, wow, wow, wow. Perfect place to run. Ah? Ate. Ate. Hi, babies! Oh, you're so cute! Hi, how are you? Ay, sus mga baby! Hello! Oh, hello! So, we have some free time. Nag-roam around na kami looking for coffee! I've never been to Baler. Cute! Maganda yung beach. Pero yung mga nagkakalat dito, maglinis ka kayo ng mga kalat niyo. Ang dami yung kalat na iniiwan. Ayan, oh. Yung mga chips, mga wrapper. So beautiful. Not the kalat. Uy, may alley cat. Ooh. I've heard of alley cat. Pero, alley cat. So, doon kami naglakad. Ang lapit lang pala ng hotel. Ito na agad yung hotel namin. So, there's the pool. I have to find a room, shower. Oh my God, this view. Wow. So, napakaganda. Too beautiful. Shooting content. What is this? What is that?
Photo na naman wala.
Pag nang ano niyo mo kasi siguro.
Pag may tao. Sige, technique. Isa lang. Kailangan natin mag-
Gusto namin ng coffee ni Ana. Sabi ni Ana, okay na ba yan sa'yo?
High maintenance.
Anong isa lang?
Isa lang ang kape.
Hindi ba siya, ano nga siya, parang pour, drip. Chemical. So, ayan na po guys. This is how you make coffee with Ana and C. Mabilis lang, ganyan lang.
Yan na yun. Yan na po yun.
Humingi kami ng brown sugar. Pero yun, ni-rinse namin yung kettle and yung lagayan kasi nakita namin yung video from China. Ay, hindi kami, pero nakita mo yung video, yung viral.
Oo.
Nakita mo yun, di ba?
Yeah, oo. Yung may panda. Actually, ako ginagamit ko na may editing tools doon. Parang ano lang siya talaga. Selpak-selpak na lang. Tapos minsan yung walang story eh. Yan kasi nga ano lang eh. Yan, kung ano lang yung kinuha mo. Montage.
Kaya alam mo,
Balik siya. Ano lang.
Yeah.
Alam, pero natututo ako. Na-enjoy ko naman.
nag-a-adapt ka.
I'm trying.
Tingnan, ay, ang perfect na! Nalaglag! Sorry, this is how you make coffee, no? Na hindi ka nagpe-pay attention at nalalaglag ang iyong...
Ang intense kasi.
Hindi na marunong mag-pour si Ana. Hindi, kasi nagkamali kami. So, binuhos
May
na lang
nangyayari?
namin. May nangyayari ba? Ay, wala nangyayari. I think, oh shit, kailangan mong i-open, I think. Nangangain po ng hindi, mali yung... O, diba? First bonding experience with...
Oh my God!
Ana!
Hindi ko ma-test yung kamay ko.
Bina-vlog ko pa yung misery mo eh, no? Go. Cheers to making coffee with Anna.
First coffee.
Ooh!
Oh, in fairness.
Yeah!
Akala ko failed it.
Masarap! Cheers to making coffee. Nag-transfer na ako ng files.
First coffee.
Sarap. Ooh! Oh my god, my favorite show. American Ninja Warrior. Super goals ng mga tao dyan. Grabe, yung mga nakakatapos. Whee! Kailangan talagang ano, no? Upper body strength. Actually, all over body strength. Wow, grabe. Whoop, whoop. Outfit for the opening ceremony, pero diretso kami sa yoga, so naka-yoga outfit na rin. Wearing not love bonito, ano to? Lotus activewear. With my buns. Cute. So, nagdala ako ng bagong disposable camera for this trip. So, mag-picture kami ni Anna. Cute. From Japan pa to, grabe, nag-hoard ako ng bongga. We're waiting for the shuttle. Yoga mat strap and bag from Not a Day Green Peach. Super love it. Pinicturean ko yan against the Birds of Paradise na arrangement over here. So, magkakaroon ng opening ceremony at 3:30. Medyo late. Wala pa yung shuttle. We're gonna wait for it. Pero we're in our yoga clothes na kasi there's yoga after and then... Oh, there's a dog! Cute! Anna! It's pet friendly here. Look at this little baby. Are you a baby? Yes, you are. Hello. Ay, sus. Cute. Shuttle is here. Oh my god, look at this. International Yoga Day. Ah! Wow, 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 wow. This is my new friend. Na-feel ko friend ko na siya forever.
Hello po.
Lito Dado the Gipit
Biyaherong
Diver.
gipit.
Biyaherong Gipit.
That's biyahe now, gipit later.
Anna, smile. Yay. Very cute. Pinicture lang namin yung yoga area. We're here sa Alley Cat, so it's a coffee shop nearby. Coffee! Cute dong, may cat. Alley Cat nga eh. Meron silang empanada. Empanada. Okay, yung mga prices. They have sea salt caramel, matcha, honey oat. Hi.
Sa India. Hello.
Hello. Alley Cat. Playing volleyball. So nice. Yeah.
What's up?
Diaper.
We're having dinner before yoga. May option for Anna. Are you happy? Are you very happy? Vegan burger.
Parang masaya-saya.
Vegan burger, yum. Pumwesta na kami ni Anna. Front and center. Yan na. Pagkasama mo ako, Anna, lagi tayong front and center. Girl, look at this setup. Oh my god, there's gonna be a sound bath healing session. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. And with this view, girl, you can't beat that. Wow. So excited. Sound bath!
You can slowly release and let go. already gone, and the future is uncertain. All we have is here and now. All we have is the present moment. Your ribcage area expand as you inhale and collapse as you exhale. So again, equal breaths. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4, out, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God, that was so amazing. Tapos ngayon, magkakaroon kami ng tea ceremony. Or tea, something. Super relaxing. Anna.
So the warmth of the cup. So just look at as you dip it into your cup. From watering it, from harvesting, down to packaging. Keep all together just for you to have and enjoy that.
We're getting second dinner here at Yellowfin kasi medyo gutom pa kami after that. So we're gonna get dinner, second dinner here at Yellowfin. Ate! Okay, sit down. Kuya, hi! Tikaw Island. Oh my God, guys. Katanduanes.
Masbate na siya.
Masbate. May ginatong falls sa Pilipinas, girl. Oh my God. Punta tayo dun. Ako nakakapunta dyan. Finally, the food's here. Chicken, rice, nachos for Anna. Happy na kami kasi nag-second dinner kami after the meditation. So, apparently, wala palang yoga today. Walang yoga-like poses and stuff. So, sad ako na hindi tayo naka-pose, pero okay lang. Kasi International Yoga Day today. Babawi tayo tomorrow. Tomorrow, we have 2 yoga sessions. We're back in the room. Maaga ang call time tomorrow, 5:30. So, we have to sleep. So, we're gonna say good night!
Good night.
Done showering. And I'm gonna show you my skincare for this trip. Actually, it's from Piliani. I've been using their oil for quite some time now. Pero ito, super duper cute kasi ang liit. Pero it's good for 30 days. So, 1 drop lang or 1 dropper lang ng oil na to. Enough to cover your entire face. And then they have this mint lip balm, which I super duper love. Sarap. Love it. Ready for bed.